In this video, I will show you the cheapest TEFL or TESOL certification course. So go to metrodeal.com, then type in International Open Academy. Then you will see a lot of courses, but you'll have to click on the Master the English Language with an online TESOL or TEFL course. So here you'll see the TESOL or TEFL course. The price is 599 pesos. So you scroll down and read the highlights. Also read the instructions after you purchase it. So if everything is fine with you, you click buy now. Then you'll have the option to choose from TEFL course or TESOL course. So for me, I chose TESOL. Then this will appear. So you'll have to choose your payment method. So you have the option to pay through credit card, GCash, PayPal, online banking, over-the-counter or ATM, or payment centers. So you'll just have to fill out the necessary information, then you click submit order. So there you'll receive an email from MetroDeal. So just click the view e-voucher. Then you'll see your voucher here. So just click the view voucher. Then you will see your voucher. So again, here's the instructions. So just click the International Open Academy. Then just click proceed. So you'll just have to purchase your certificate from the International Open Academy website, and so from here you'll just click on the TESOL certificate or TEFL, whichever you want. So if you cannot see your course, you can search it. Just type in TESOL or TEFL, then you will see that, and click add to cart. Then check out. Then for first-time users, of course, you need to sign up using your Google account. So after you signed in, this will prompt, and you'll need to put the voucher code in the discount code and click apply. So then you will see your courses. So here's the 120-hour TESOL certificate. So just click on go to course. Then you will see the course overview. So you have here module 1 up to module 10. So each module has two options, study and exam. So the study part is the lecture, and the exam is a quiz after each module to assess your learning. So you'll have to pass all the exams for you to have the certificate. So after completing all the modules and the exams, you can now have your free digital certificate. So just click the free digital certificate, then here, congratulations, you now have your 120-hour TESOL or TEFL certificate. Thank you so much. So if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and share it to others. Don't forget to click subscribe or comment down below if you need assistance. And please do share my video to help others too. Thank you so much.